Yo, people, so today is the day. Bikestormz, can't lie, it's a bit late right now. It's like what? It's 12 actually, so they've left. Bit late, but yeah. I'm not even going intro. Damn. I'm not even gonna intro too long. Let's go meet the pack. Do all the YouTube stuff. Let's get it. Got the GoPro on. Let's go. Like, subscribe. Just watch the video. Boom. Alright, chat. The pack is there. Oh, this is not the pack. This is a mini pack. Alright, guys. Here's the real pack. Got Dukes. Dukes is finally outside. You what? Oh! Oh! Where's on the filming thing now? Okay. What's it? YouTube? Yeah. Good. I'm here, bro. Bro. He said cheeks.
You telling me head cheeks?
He said.
He said, cuz.
Good.
Look at you, cuz. Looking well, bro.
Thank you, bro.
You telling me good?
Yeah.
Been blessed?
Outside.
Come on, not even active, cuz. Come on. You saying, why's that wheel down though, for?
Huh?
Why's that wheel down though?
What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about? Like that. Like that. Dad. One over.
Oi. Roaming. Roaming. Baby.
Damn, Hobie.
Damn. Why is it bare windy though, bro? Why? God did do that.
God did.
God did.
God did.
God did.
God did.
Oh shit, dog. Damn. Oh!
T'as pas dit.
Il m'a dit t'as pas de vacances. The man himself. The man himself.
Good, we live. Yo, it's crazy, bro.
It's wild.
Hectic. It's a complete shut.
Yes, sir. How he ain't got the wheel? How he jumped the wheel?
Damn, Hobie.
nostalgics.
Let's try it.
Raspberry iced tea.
This nigga and his freaking drinks, bro. You really getting drinks that I've never seen before.
Wait.
Every time, bro.
Coconut water.
Oh, cocoa. What the hell?
Wait. C'est trop bon ça. Summer berries iced tea.
That's nice.
Parce qu'il m'en a acheté un.
Tu veux faire piver partout.
Yeah, bro. Allez.
Welcome some.
Ryan.
I don't know.
Thank you.
I don't get that.
Hold on, bro.
Say Ryan.
Allez, wow.
Come back.
There's gonna be like one frame where the actual golden zeros are on there.
Yeah, this one's the most unique.
Money. Look at that.
Les gars, regardez qui nous a rejoint. C'est un rouge métallisé.
Tito's bike.
3K parce qu'il est pas encore sorti. Qui veut?
À vendre 4 balles maintenant. Vas-y, je vide mon PL. Cache. Non, franchement, il est méchant sa mère.
Yo. Félicitations.
What do you think of Bikestormz, bro?
I want a burger.
So get a burger.
Did you get a burger?
Oh, wait, stop me from getting a burger right now.
Nothing.
You're the French guy. We gotta break off from the pack, cause that music video is just stopping the flipping. I'm not trying to be in that if they're not paying me, gang. Where the numbers at?
Basically, what's happening when a plane really
Yo, get a JOB, bro. Yo, stop.
No, but listen. It's matching the speed of the Earth's rotation, but it's going the opposite way around. It's not actually moving. So the balancing out of the speed is going.
So the plane's just doing this. Wait, no. The plane is just going like this.
But the world's moving.
You know those birds that just stay still up there?
Just for food.
That's hard, bro.
Okay, I have to slap my helmet on for this. Damn! Yo, this John is fast! Yo! Come this way, let's go this way. Oh my days! Oh my god, G! Yo! Yo! Yo, 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 yo. Yo! Yo! I didn't hit 50 though. Okay? Nah. Yo! Yo! Bro, damn! I'm not.
Come to the front.
Alright. Come to the front.
Your very own Toyota Jeep.
Look at that. Militant.
It's not the regular, it's the Tall Street Sports Edition.
Right. Yo, wait, there's people at the back.
Yo! Just got guys spawning out the whip. Yo, damn!
Come check it out.
Alright. Yo, looking like the Batmobile. Look at that.
Forget your doors that go up. These open out.
Right. Look at that.
Now come to the cockpit. Let me show you. Spacious.
Show them.
You've never seen interior like this. Mercedes don't do it like this.
They don't.
They don't.
Don't.
Steering wheel plush.
Right.
Seating position comfy.
Right.
Let's get into the gear shift.
Alright, let's go.
Regular gear shift stick. Different modes.
Different modes.
Level 2.
Yeah?
Drive 4. Drive 3.
Yeah.
One not enough.
It's one not
Oh, and it's got Japanese on the dash!
Okay! See? When you start the car,
Damn!
Right. Let's have a look.
it's not a joke.
Damn!
It's not a joke.
Just when you fall.
You need passengers, you're good.
Yo, this is comfy. I'd fall asleep in here every drive.
Just when you thought 2 seats was enough. Have 3 more. Yuck.
Come to the back. Tinted rear lights.
Yuck. Spare tire. Just in case.
Batman edition.
Just in case.
You see when you want to have a party, come round. Platforms.
Damn.
You know what we had earlier here? Music artists and performers. DJ decks on the top.
Right. See, the tire's been polished as well.
What more do you want from an SUV?
Yo,
Space,
I'm gonna
comfort,
retire on reviews, bro. It's you. Yo, stop posting this, bro.
clearance. On the road, you can't get any better. Range Rover, you got some stiff competition.
Talk to them.
Hey, this thing's not a joke, you know.
Oh, real. That is sick.
It doesn't even look like a door. It's not opening.
Yeah, that does not look like a door.
Can't see in but can see out. No better.
How would
Only the passenger.
How would you open this? Oh, only the passengers can open it.
I don't know.
Oh!
Corey, imagine music shoot, yeah?
What I'm saying?
With Daniel Jack jumping on top of it.
Yo, you are crazy. What? Stationary or moving?
No,